This was it's about right here. Everybody worked their tail off to get this done. Again, we drove 36 hours for this right here. You know, states, about 5-6 states. Yeah. Yeah. Be proud, everybody. Be proud. Can we get a shout out to Cleveland, man? Cleveland and Nashville. Cleveland and Nashville, shout out, bro. I know you're working.
Yeah, give a shout out.
Give a shout out to Cleveland and Nashville, brother.
You gonna give a shout out?
He said shout out. That's all you gonna get.
I don't know what that is.
Where y'all want to take it? What is supposed to
This is what it's all about. This is where we are right now, so y'all can see what's going on. And then right up the street there, there's furniture all lined up on the streets up there. We drove past it coming in. Hey, appreciate your help. Yeah, this was all day, man. With love, man. Hey, let me get that right hand though. Yeah, we'll do that all day. Love y'all, man. Oh, back there. Yeah. Clothes lined up on the walls. Shout out to this congregation too. I'm gonna get that in the middle, in the front of that. It's a church here. A couple different congregations in there. And they contacted us, I guess, and this was our designated spot. This is what we chose because we heard it was real bad right here. So this is what it is.
You better get on over there.
Proud of y'all. Be proud. I'm about to go get some regular pictures and talk to some people with network a little bit. But God bless y'all. 7.